Hi guys, I'm just testing this 100 amps 12 volt alternator which is coming out of one of those big 200 kVA generator. This is just for charging the very large battery. As you can see, at 12 volt 100 amps you can charge the battery. Could be any size battery, possible really big one. So all I'm doing here, testing this, I coupled with this 3-phase electric motor, which is, I think it's about 2.2, so 7.2 amps. So that makes around 4 horsepower. Yep, 4 kilowatts, sorry. And it's 3-phase. Now, because in my house I've got only single phase, I'm using this variable speed drive, which is called variable frequency drive as well. Just we can change the frequency, and then we can change the speed of the rotation from very low to the maximum. In this case is almost 3000 RPM, because we can run it to 65 Hertz. So, and then I'm going to get some reading. That's a voltmeter there. Normally, for getting the voltage out of this, you have to give him some sort of a 12 volt to get it running, get the ball running. And yeah, it's you can actually use this to charge power bank in a house. With the inverter, you can do it very quickly because it produces 100 amps. And I'll just try to. This is the dial that you can change the speed. Like for example, there. I'm going to press the start. You can see slowly builds up. That's just a 12.9. You can go up slowly. Or you turn it off. We can bump it up really high and then start it. It will ramp up slowly. Turning it off. So basically that's how it goes. I'm going to start it, and it's going to be a bit noisy, but we can measure some voltage. I'm going to turn it on first. The voltage is not there yet, it's only 3 volts. I'm going to connect this little 12 volt battery and get the ball rolling. Now, voltage coming up. I can disconnect this. Connect it back up. So, that's it. Now, this is the ammeter. I'm going to charge this battery. You can see the changes of the noise. You can see the ammeter 17F. It's charging it very fast. And you can see that all these amps goes through this battery. How fast it charges. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some load on the battery. Drain it. This is a big LED, a powerful LED. So Also, I can light up that as well with the battery and inverter. Got an inverter there as well. So basically, I will show you that you can build this and charge the battery at home with around 100 amps. If you run this over 3,000 RPM, possibly 4.5 to 5,000 RPM, you can achieve 100 amps, 14 volts for charging the battery at home. So you can charge the battery at home, and then you can use it at night for the peak hours or when you don't have any power. So now I'm gonna try this again. This is 35 amps. 34 amps. See how it dries. Because that motor cannot handle. And once you get to 24, now around 20 amps, 22 amps, you can handle it no problem. You can see it's charging now really fast. As the current will drop, it means is that taking all this charge. Voltage is always constant. About 30 something amps coming down very quickly. Voltage always 14.16. So that's what I want to show you. I'm going to next one. I'm going to use this very big, large. Show you over here. I bought this in eBay. It's very large DC motor, so you can use it as a battery charger as well. It's massive, 200 amps. Have a look. It's 240 volts, 2,400 RPM, and the current rating amps is 264 amps that it produced. Look at the size of the cable coming out of it. So I'll put this pulley on it. I'm going to connect this to that motor, then you can charge a big bank of batteries. I'm going to turn them off. So basically, I can put that big motor generator, so I could actually charge a big bank of batteries. You can actually use the small petrol engine, possibly 4 or 5 horsepower. You can actually do it without any problem. So next video, I will connect the big motors and see how we go. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.